Namaste student, myself Javin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Genetic Engineering and today's session is electroporation. So here we are starting. What is electroporation? A method used to apply an electric current across the cell membrane resulting in temporary pore formation, enabling the uptake of exogenous molecule found in the medium to either the cytoplasm or into the nucleus, thereby transfecting or transforming the cell. What is electroporation? So it is a process that used to introduce foreign genes into a host cell. Electric shock are used to as a mechanism for introducing new DNA into a host cell by creating new pore in the plasma membrane of the host cell. So how can electroporation be applied? Integral tool in biotechnology industry, transformation of bacteria, yeast and plant protoplast, tissues in vivo, for utero application as well as in ovo transfection, in tumor treatment, gene therapy and cell-based therapy. So example of in vivo's electroporation technology. Electroporation uses controlled millisecond electron electrical pulses to create temporary pores in the cell membrane and allow dramatic cellular uptake of a synthetic DNA vaccine previously injected into muscles or skin. Technology allow to safely and effectively deliver DNA-based vaccines. Numerous human studies demonstrated best-in-class immune responses from DNA vaccine. Number of electroporation with electroporation. Green light display the proteins created and by the vaccine delivered using electroporation. So optimization process used 8 pulse to 100 microseconds and increase voltage slowly because cell death can occur. So what are the disadvantages and advantages of electroporation? Advantage are versatility. Electroporation is effective with nearly all cell and species type. Efficiency, a large majority of cell take in the target DNA on molecule. In the study on electrotransformation of E. coli, for example, 80% of the cell received the foreign DNA. In small scale, the amount of DNA required is smaller than for other method. In vivo, the procedure may be performed with intact tissues. A paper published in Development Biology showed the successful transfer of a DNA construct with a fluorescent reporter gene into intact mouse brain tissue. What are the disadvantages? Cell damage. If the pulses are of the wrong length or intensity, some pores may become too large or fail to close after membrane discharge, causing cell damage or rupture. Non-specific transport. The transport of material into and out of the cell during the time of electropermeability is relatively non-specific. This may result in an ion imbalance that could later lead to improper function and cell death. So applications to medical field are chemotherapy, gene therapy, transdermal drug delivery, and electrochemotherapy, specialized drug delivered to affected site in organism. First study in 1991, bleomycin and cisplatin. So this is the electroporation therapy in gene transfer technology. So this video is powered by digital JVW 2.0. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.